Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today I am showing you a scenery in MS Paint and it is a twilight scenery. For this I select yellow color and then paint fill with color and then fill yellow color. Now brush and take a gold color and from brush I draw this brush tool and again paint bucket. Now orange and again brush and again brush. Now red bucket. Now dark red brush and again. Now this is the color and I have to resize it for gradient and resize here pixel and maintain aspect ratio. I have to click here to omit the checkbox and here vertical 1169 and horizontal 850. I omit this vertical and here I can put 1, 2, 3, 4 minimum size 6, 7 not 2 digit, only 1 digit number. I put here 4 and then OK. Again I have to resize, then it will become as a gradient color. So again pixel and now I change it 1169. OK. Here it is a gradient color and I have to draw something like draw any tree, some people and so I draw here by brush and this color or black color, black color brush, yes, and I can change the size from here or I can change the size using Ctrl plus numeric key in there plus and now I am drawing here. size, like I can draw some more here, and now I can draw paint airbrush tool, and I have to take size, airbrush tool size, control here, and I reduce the size of this like this and draw some person. Here another person, here another person, here I change the size and then draw some these are some and here I can draw sun here with red orange color and solid color circle color, solid color, fill solid color, and I have to give here also orange, yes, and then I can draw it like here. And this is the picture. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are requested to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.